Hello everyone, welcome to Q Design. I'm Janine, and in today's tutorial I want to show you how to create this glasses. I created this filter right here. I'm a big fan of Bob's Burgers and I love the character Tina, so this is inspired by her glasses, but you can use this model to follow the step-by-step tutorial. You find the link down below. Anyway, let's start. Okay, and before we start, make sure you download every single file you need for this project. Simply go to the link in the description down below. There you find one link to the assets I use in this tutorial, and also make sure that you use the face reference assets. Both links you find in the description down below. Our first step is to import from our computer the glasses frame hanger. I close and open, and we create in our scene a face tracker. And in this face tracker we start with a plane, a 3D object. Make sure it's in the face tracker right here. Add a new material, double click, make sure it's flat. And these are for our glasses frame. So copy the name and go back to your material, go to texture, glasses frame, and now you have the glass frame in your scene linked to your face, but we want to make sure that we add it a little bit bigger. And it really helps to add every single design you work with. It's easier when you put it in a square. We want to have the whole glasses, so we need to add the glasses hanger left and right. Twice Command C, Command D. This is our hanger right, and this one is our hanger left. And for both we just need one new material. New material. This is our glasses hanger, flat, and add the hanger to it. And make sure that these two are 90 degrees to our glasses frame, 90 degrees. You see, when I turn my head, you see the texture or the material, but not on the other side of the hanger. So go to your material hanger and go to double-sided. Now you see the texture of both sides. The same you can do, of course, with your glasses as well. Boop. Perfect. Next step is to make sure that we have the right position for our glasses. Go to View, Show Patch Editor. And we need the reference of our face tracker 0. So drag and drop it into your face editor. And now we need the position of our face, and we want to link it to our nose bridge. Nose. Perfect. This one, first one is our bridge, nose bridge. And now simply go to position in your glasses frame inspector and link it to your nose bridge. There you find this, it's perfectly linked to it, but if you want to have more control over it, you can add an add 3 dimensions, and therefore you have the possibility to change the depth or the position in X and Y a little bit more. We need this one for our hanger left and right. Go to position, left, right, go to, I just want to Command V, Command C, Command V. Link this one. Okay, this is the left side, this is the right side. Left is minus 1.0.6, I think. Yeah, maybe a bit further. 7 looks good. 0.075, 0.075. Okay, the depth is minus 0.085, maybe not. Like this, maybe not perfect, but 7. Yep, 7 looks nice. And the same here. And of course, it's could be a bit deeper and a bit buff. Maybe 0.015. Boop. It's maybe a little bit too much. Yeah. Just take this one in this case. Yeah, it looks a bit better. And also 0.01, oh, minus of course. Yeah, and in this case 8. And 8. It is not perfect, but it's kind of working. 5 maybe, or 4. But you see you have way more control over the motion in this case. So far so good. We don't see, of course, the hanger through our lenses, but if you have a smaller frame, you might see the hanger if you look through one side or another. And to make sure that this is working well, go to the material of your hanger and go to depth, so like this. And make sure that the glasses also depth. Put this through the glasses, so down below. So the next step is our eyes. So we start with creating 2 new planes, one for closed and one for open. And make sure it's in the face tracker, of course. And this is eye close or closed and open. Of course, we need 2 new materials. Go to new material. This one is close. Flat. Close. And the other one, new material. Open. Flat. Now you see these 2 right here, but first of all we start with adding the right position to it. And in this case we work with our face tracker eyeball. And we set it to our right iris. But we work with a sender eye, add and receiver, go to unpack. We have now 3 dimensions and go to pack because we just want to add the position for our X and Y. Pack. So boop, and boop, link, perfect. Now we need an add, 3 dimensions, another one. Also this is for 2 different eyes. And another add, again, and also another right here. This one down below, this one too. And now we also need the information from our nose bridge as well. So, boop, boop, boop. Make sure it's a little bit from our nose, okay. Nose bridge right here, also here. And we start with our open close, and we think I need to make sure this is our right and right. Command C, Command D, left and left. Link this one. And now we need to make sure that the position is different. So in this case, 0.7, 0.7. Yeah. A little bit down, down 0. This is left, right. this is left, right. 4, okay. Closer, so you see everything. Yeah, it's kind of in the middle. Minus 0.01. Maybe just... Yep, it looks so far pretty nice. Minus 0.72, 0.001, and maybe 0.01 or 5. Maybe not perfect, but when I look up, it should work. I can't see it, to be honest. When I look up, I can't see if it's working. But now you have control over your eye movement, and that's pretty cool. The next step is to make sure we have this blinking. First, I think for this, we make sure it's a little bit bigger, so we see a little bit more of the eye. Perfect. And also we want the eye, the closed curve. So this is our closed. It's a little bit outside, so a little bit curved like this. And in this case, we want to make sure that this one is also in the other direction. So go to closed left, go to scale -2. Yeah, scale -2. Cool. And for the blinking, left eye, right. In this case also left or right. You can put this for 2 different eyes. So for example, when you want to see my eyes right here, when you want to blink, you can just add this to every single one. But in this case, you can use both for just one eye. So go to, in this case, right eye closed. And add a pulse. and a switch. Command C, Command D, and go to turn it on and also turn it off. So we have both, you don't see it, we'll have both informations. This switch is for our close. This one is switch open. So crisscross, this one right here, this one right here. Go to select all your eyes, visibility, closed, open, close, open. So now it's open. Okay, the next step is Occluder. Go to import from your computer, head Occluder, and have this as this texture right here. Open the head Occluder, select both hanger, put it in the Occluder, and now make sure that the number is at. And all the hanger are depth on. Yeah, now it's working. So the glasses hanger depth is on. Also from your Occluder, go to not replace, go to add opacity by 0, and also the advanced render options are on as well. And so you have the result with that you see the hanger behind. In this case it's not right, it's through my eye because the Occluder is a bit deep, just adjust it a little bit, but you get the idea if for this. Next step is we want to make sure that our nose is over the glass frame, and for that go to your face mesh, add a new face mesh, and we leave it right here, and you see the face mesh right here. And for this, go to your face tracker 0, texture extraction, go to your face mesh, call this one nose, mask, for example, mask. So don't need this, but go to eyes and mouth, so it's closed. And next step is material. New material, nose, mask, go to flat, and we add our face tracker to it. Now it's working, but you see the bridge is a little bit damaged. We need a new patch. First of all, we need the face tracker texture. SDF circle, SDF circle right here. Add this patch. Step. Link this one right here. And a mix. Add this one right here. We use this circle as alpha. And we go to our nose mask, texture, up here, 1, okay, maybe, yeah, and you see it a little bit. So we add this one, for example, 0.05, there's just the tip of the nose right here. But with this little add-on, you have more control over how much you see the face, or also when you want to adjust it a little bit right here, maybe, so it's, if you have more control over it. Now it's a little bit down below. You see the bridge is working. You see this, we don't want this. Maybe circle a little bit smaller, 5. So it's a little bit more, you have again more control over the size of it. So it's only the nose in my case that is the mask. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. And of course, if you know someone who wants to know this, please share this tutorial. It was a very intense tutorial, I know. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, thank you again very much for your time, and enjoy the process. Bye bye.